If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to the Kindslay bag, medium size. This is a sewing arts pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So first off, I am going to show you the main part, and then we'll move on to the versatility of the handles. So this is a crossbody, shoulder bag, and a handbag. We will attach the handles momentarily. I'll show you what that is all about. So we have a zipper pocket on the front of the flap here. Amazing decorative fabric work all the way along the very wide bottom and gusset of this bag. When you open it up, you have, it's very roomy inside for a medium to smaller size bag. We have a zipper pocket on one side, a large slip pocket on the other. Now, the funnest part of this bag. So we have two different straps that are included with this. So we have this handle here. So you can situate it into the D-rings like so. To make it a handbag. Now there are these D-rings right here as well where you can attach a crossbody or shoulder strap. This is completely adjustable, so it can be either or, and you click it into the D-rings on the handle. So, and when you're out and about, you could be carrying it around as a handbag, but then decide you want to make it a shoulder bag. You just have to go like this, put it on, or as a crossbody, whatever you prefer. And of course, if you didn't want to have the handle, you could take that off altogether. Take the crossbody off of that. And then you can have just the one strap for the crossbody shoulder bag. Isn't that fun? Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And part of the bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.